Oh mama, Pepe Kalle and Nibo Mamadido started from a way back. I think they must have started with the Orchestre Bella Bella, I think. But then they came together into Lipua Lipua. Then after that, they parted ways. They all went their separate ways. But much later in life, their collaboration, their album was one of the hottest back in the day. This song is called Likabo, and it came from an album that was called Moibi. And so even when you look at the discographs, if you look at the credits, they keep on saying that these songs were jointly composed by Nibo Mamadido and Pepe Kalle Ampanya. But then there were in the same album, there was a song like Amupado, a song like Eve Matoko. Some people like to call it Majambele. There was another song called Nina in the same album. There was Likabo, this one that is playing, and then there was Uheduku, who participated in this album. So there was Kanda Bongo Man, and as well Kanda Bongo Man, Nibo Mamadido, and Pepe Kalle came from way back in Bella Bella. So there was again another guy called Monzali. There was Rene Cabral and Utamai. So again, Utamai and Niboma have always gone together because they've been together in a number of bands, in a number of combinations. Guitar accompaniment and actually arrangement was actually done by the late Lokasa Yambongo. So he did rhythm guitar, but he arranged the entire album. Bass guitar was done by Miguel Yamba. And if you listen to Machacha later on again, Miguel Yamba is found there. He was in Loketo. So he was a very, very well established bass guitarist. Now there was also Dilu Dilumona. There was Niboma himself. There was Pepe Kalle Ampanya. Then there was Solo Sita. So these were the more of what we would say the chorus or backup singers. Drums, there was a guy called Michel Lawrence. Guitar rhythmic, guitar accompaniment, like I've said, was Lokasa Yambongo. Keyboard was done by Manu Lima. And the lead vocalist was, there were two lead vocalists, the Nibo Mamadido and Pepe Kalle Ampanya. The main producer was Ibrahim Sila. Sax was done by Sulmon Hakim. Solo guitar was done in large part by Dali Kimoko. But then there was also Fire that also participated in that. So what I want to do is to give you the lyrics to the song Likabo. Likabo means problem or an issue. So, oh mamao, le. So it's just, a starter pack, if you will, for the song. But then the lyrics proper start. Likabona salite lelo olingi ome mesangande nkambo. For something that I did not do, you would like me to carry the brand, to bear the brand, something that I'm not responsible for. You want me to be blamed. You want me to be the one that carries the weight of it. Likabona salite lilona lingina me makafumba ya likabo. Something that I did not do, I am carrying the greatest, trouble, the greatest burden. So Kafumba, Yeli Kabo just means it's a big problem, it's a big issue. Now, the persona in the song is a woman, and so she's basically talking to a fellow woman, and she's more or less clearing her name or reporting the man to the wife. So it's a case of a woman is blaming another one, but the other woman being blamed says, no, I do not know about this. It's not my fault, you know. Mobali na yo yaya tokutana kina cinema. Your husband, we met in the cinema. So she has said Mobali na yo yaya. So yaya is somebody that is older than you, somebody that is senior to you, you call them yaya. So the persona here is a younger woman, and she's telling the older woman that your husband, we met at the cinema. Atombola kiloboko asimbi na motema. So he curled up his hand and held it on his heart or his chest. Atalinga aseki alobina zelaina ndako. And so he looked at me and laughed and said I should wait for him in my house. Proposing to Bima. And then he proposed that we should go out. Mama ina bangi makambo. Mama, I fear problems. I fear issues. You see, this young woman is even calling her mama ina bangi makambo. I fear problems. I fear issues. Mobali na yo yaya ananakinga tina ndako. And my elder, your husband, followed me up to my house. Lisolo mosusu tina monoko na ye semu ya mbongo. And with your husband, there's nothing else he talks about. It's just money, 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 money. Tobima na ye na komona bisengo ya mokili. And so he assured me that should we go out with him, in other words, should I start dating him, I will see the happiness in this world. Na komona bisengo ya mokili. I'll be the happiest woman. That's what your husband was telling me. Tobima mama owe kominde koloko. So we go out. But you see what? That became like being bewitched. Likabona salite lelo olingi ome misangade ngapo. For something that I did not do, you are making me to bear, to carry the weight. Actually, Ngambo also means problem. So you are making me to look like I'm the problematic one. So for something that I did not do, I am carrying the greatest burden. I am having the biggest problem for something that I didn't do. That is Lokasa ya Bongo on guitar accompaniment, the rhythm guitar. Oyebi mobali na yo na kama mama. You know your husband very well. I am actually very surprised. Komela mbondote atana miso ya nzambe toko samba. In context, Komela Bondo means to take the truth. So this is called the truth juice or the truth liquid. Something that you take in order for people to know whether you're telling the truth or you're not telling the truth. It's more like a lie detector. So the younger one is saying, please don't act like you don't know your husband. Don't act like you're getting the lie detector for him. You're actually pretending, but you know your husband better. Mosala azwase kolenda kabasi ya baninga. The only thing that he knows, the work that he knows he has specialized in, is following the wives of his friends. Mosala se kolanda basi ya baninga. Nakomi komituna, I have started asking myself, if happiness of this world was created or meant for everyone, I have started asking myself, is it the case that this happiness is not for everyone? This pleasure of the world is not for everyone? Yanga is misère. So for mine is just misery, is just suffering. For something that I don't do, you want me to be there, to look like I'm the one that did it, that I'm the problematic one. And for something that I don't do, for a matter that I didn't participate in, I am bearing the greatest problem, the greatest burden. Na baby. So Kobeba is to spoil, but it might also mean to hurt. It might also mean to suffer. Nakamwe oh mama, I am surprised mama. So like I told you that the persona is a younger woman, so she's also surprised and she's actually respecting the older woman, even calling her mama. I am surprised, Nakamwe. Nasuki amure, Nasuki yo. So I am actually finished. So amure just means love. So I am finished with this thing called love. It's actually the end of me, more or less, with this love issues. Then Pepe Kale says Nasambwe o Pishu Masuma Nasambwe o Mama Nasambwe. So Kosambwa is to be ashamed. So I am really ashamed. Pishu Masuma, so he mentions somebody. And then the song gets into 7. End of the lyrics. Like I told you, like I've been saying, with the Sokos music, the songs are short on lyrics but long on 7.